This segment of Coastlife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Coastlife, we're back at it again in Benvenuto and Milford. That's right, it's our dish of the week, and we're taking you behind the scenes of everything that goes into what makes this dish so unique and special. Of course, I'm here with the one and only Chef Jesus Gordiany. How you doing today?
That's me.
So what is our dish of the week?
All right, so this is a super simple, really nice, just summer dish. And what we're gonna do is a blackened crab cake salad.
Good.
So for those of you out there in TV land already know that I do offer some of the best crab cakes in Delaware. I'm sorry to say it, but it's just a fact,
rumors.
right? I'm not even from Delaware. But anyway, I am now, right?
Yes.
So look, I'm gonna show you how simple it is to put this together. So just a lot of cool ingredients we have here. We're gonna start off with a little bit of this fresh baby arugula, all right? I love arugula. It's peppery, all right? It has, you know, a lot more flavor than, you know, its cousin spring mix, all right? So we're gonna start off with that. And again, you wanna kind of arrange this so that it looks really nice. So we have some julienne, red bell peppers, and some yellow bell peppers here.
That looks
All right.
awesome.
Already, right?
Awesome.
I think we're gonna stop here, all right? We're just gonna make an arugula and pepper salad. No, we're not, all right? So we're gonna add some fresh cucumber to this, all right? Which Mr. Brennan and I diced up earlier. All right, hey, if you want to just drop it on here, that's fine too. If we want to lay it out a little bit, make it look nice, that's cool too. All right, now we're going to do some red onion. All right, give it that little extra bite that we want. And you guys already know, I love raw red onions. I put on everything. All right, so we have some red onions. We're going to do some of our local corn. All right.
I'm seeing these colors pop already.
Oh my goodness. All right, this is one of my favorites here. These are our roasted tomatoes, all right? And these just lend that extra pop to this dish that's definitely needed, all right? Some of our roasted tomatoes, that sits in our vinaigrette. You guys already know about our vinaigrette from last week, right? All right, now, don't ask me why, but this dish, this salad gets rice, okay? And it's something I worked with a gentleman that came to us from Louisiana, from New Orleans. And for some reason, he always put rice in his salads. Yes, and if you go to some of these Cajun restaurants, these Creole restaurants, you will see that, all right?
That's interesting.
They also use a lot of pecans, all right? So maybe, I don't know, maybe they're on to something. So we have some candied pecans here that we do in-house, of course.
That looks awesome.
All right, and then we're gonna take our blackened jumbo lump crab cake.
Look at that.
Look how beautiful. All right, so we're gonna sort of nestle him or her up top. All right, and then to tie this dish off, okay, we are gonna go to this Creole honey mustard that we have here. All right, so this is a Creole honey mustard. It has a little brandy in here. It has whole grain mustard, okay? It has local honey from friends of ours, our Creole spice, and a little bit of lemon juice. All right, I want to show you how beautiful this looks.
Wow.
Look at that. It's like magic, isn't it?
It is. Look at that drizzle.
I mean, look, I went to drizzle school, so I know how to drizzle.
He's
all right?
professional.
And then we're just going to hit this with some local greens or little baby micros from our good friend Patrick Helmick from the pharmacy. And just look at how nice this salad looks. Look.
That is a beautiful.
And guess what? This is the dish of the week.
It is, and you know what that means. If you mention that you saw this on Coastlife, you get 10% off of this dish. So run over to Benvenuto and check them out. And Coastlife, I promise you, if you could smell this through your screen right now, you would already be on your way here. But don't go too far just yet, because there's still more Coastlife on the way.